Uh,
Good afternoon.
Very good afternoon. How are you doing?
Yes, I'm doing great. Wishing you a very positive and peaceful afternoon ahead. So, how was your day so far?
My day was really good. I had a great session with the expert trainer, but something miserable happened now. I was just making space in my laptop, and unfortunately, I just got deleted the video which I have recorded yesterday, and I was like literally upset for that. I don't know how to get it back.
Oh,
Do you know anything about it?
okay, I will search and I will definitely tell you. It might be any option. It can be option, I guess. We can take help of ChatGPT. We can get any option.
Yeah, that's what I was doing when you were asking me to connect. I was ready to connect with you that time, but I was also searching a few way out. So it suggested me that go and check your trash of Zoom, but I did not find anything like that. So I don't think that I'll get that video again. So I'm feeling literally upset for that, but that's fine. I have to connect with that person again now.
Don't
Yeah.
feel bad. Whatever happened for some reason. Upset. Don't
But
worry.
why am I feeling so bad? The reason is I have connected that lady for I think she has been following me for the last 2 years. She wanted to connect with me, and I did not have time to connect with her. And only yesterday I connected with her, and she was really excited for this session. And she was so. I'm feeling bad for her, at least not for me, because now how will I tell her that I got your video deleted? I mean, mistakenly, so like that. I'm
She
not
might
getting that.
she might speaks better in next session. Now you have to make one more video for her. Don't bother about it. Sometimes such things can happen in our life because life and day is not always in our favor, isn't it? So such things
Right.
happen. So how we rebound, how we bounce back on that particular thing, it depends on us. So you should stay positive. She will definitely understand. No problem. Keep smiling.
Yes. Yeah, I'm still trying to smile. You know that kind of jolly person I am, but sometimes few things made me upset, but that's fine. Now I have to make this session engaging and fruitful for the learners who are watching me right now. So before I move further, I would like to know about you first, and then we'll move ahead.
Yes, why not? For first of all, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to connect with you. I'm really delighted to be here. And secondly, you replied me at the drop of a hat, so that's why I feel really happy and thrilled. So my name is Meenakshi and I'm from Punjab, specifically from district Jalandhar. Currently, I am a homemaker and I am blessed mother of one daughter. And meanwhile, I'm running a YouTube channel by the name of Meenakshi English Vibes. So, if I talk about my hobbies are learning new skills, expanding my knowledge day by day. So, every day there is a new opportunity for me where I can grab some things, learn new things, and incorporate in my life. So, it's a nutshell introduction from my side.
Oh wow, it's an amazing introduction, Meenakshi, and I must appreciate that you speak quite amazingly. I mean, with such a grace you are speaking, it's really amazing to listen to you. I was literally engrossed in your speech when you were introducing yourself. And how long have you been into this learning English process?
Actually, I have been learning this language. I guess it has been about 2.5 years, but it
Hmm.
can be a intermittent learning because when I started my journey, initial days it was not feasible for me to stay consistent. But since I
Hmm.
enrolled my daughter in school, so after that, because my daughter goes to school only for 2.5 hours, so when she
Oh.
comes back, it's not possible for me to stay consistent or, to focus towards my studies. So that is the one reason. And one more is my in-laws place is Karnal. So we visit there as well thrice a year. So, it takes 1 week, sometimes 2 weeks. I can't focus on my studies because I can focus only on when I sit in a quiet place. After that, apart from that, it's a self talk for me. I can easily self talk while doing my household chores, but if I really want to incorporate new words in my speaking, so for that reason I have to sit, because everyone has their own mindset, but I don't have elephant memory. I have only
Hmm.
Steve memory, so I can't focus properly.
Okay, but I think 2.5 years, it's a great time, I would say.
Yes.
And you learn English really well now. So, would you mind sharing your journey? I mean, how did you learn it? What are those main things which you focused on? And what you are doing right now to improve even more to the advanced level?
Yes, sure. So when I started my journey, I started from zero. And I have watched one of your videos where you mentioned that you used to watch Kanchan Keshwari ma'am video, right? So
Right.
same like I can completely resonate with you. I just started my journey while watching Kanchan Keshwari's ma'am video. So where like she also used so many Hindi to English sentences, and one day my daughter was just walking and he had a barefoot. So I was not able to get word like तुम नंगे पैर क्यों चल रही हो, how to say this line in English. So I learned this word from Kanchan Keshwari ma'am's video, that barefoot, you can say barefoot. So over time I started getting interest in this language, like I started from zero, from scratch. So that's how I started getting interest, but it was not feasible for me to get proper time. So whenever she used to sleep only for half an hour, so then I picked some words, jotted down on my notebook and revised those words, like this. So over time I just started like this, and after some time or later I came across with the application Joe Skills, so where I started talking to people, right? So
Okay.
there are many kind of people there, some are interested, on the other hand some are not. But I
Hmm.
thought, okay, let it be. But I had great experience with that application as well. Whenever I connected with someone, I used to have so many good learners there. Most of them, they're ready to help you as well. So I had good experience with that application. And in the year of 2025, last year, in the month of October, I was associated with one group, women group, where I started speaking as much as I wanted. So these days, as I am connecting with so many people, so many ladies, they are really passionate towards this journey. So I'm really getting interest. And sometimes you don't feel motivated, you want to quit your journey because every day is not in your favor. You also feel such things in your life, right? But they are just a wake up call for you, right? They have so many responsibilities, they wear so many hats. Some of them two children, like you have two children, but you are the great example of consistency, how long you are creating this content. So why we shouldn't learn from those people who are the great inspiration for our life? So I thought, let's give it a shot, then start your day again and rebound yourself and start your journey. So nowadays I have started shadowing practice as well. It has been only 3 days. I am getting interest because now I feel that I have intermediate level. Otherwise, I feel I just achieved 30%. Still, I have to go longer way. I want to go 70% more. But somewhere I feel now I have an intermediate level. I should work on my MTI, how I can work on my accent. So these things can only learn by shadowing. So which I started. And whenever I come across with any new vocabulary, I try to incorporate while creating situation. So whenever I talk to my co-learners, I try to speak, I try to use that word with them.
Wow, quite an amazing journey, I would say. And you kept motivating yourself. That is one of the important thing because people most of the time they give up and they lack motivation. So motivation is something that is, I think, you can feel from within, and nobody can give you motivation for the whole life. It's only you who have to motivate yourself. So
Yes.
that's an amazing thing. So what kind of YouTube videos do you generally watch?
Watch. Okay. It's a mixture of videos because I prefer giving holistic approach. Some days, if I am not feeling good, I can watch, exciting and entertaining videos, right? Apart from that, most of the time, like, when I start my day, I listen to conversational videos. Nowadays, I'm really like watching Minu Puri ma'am video, right? Even
Okay.
days I watched one video of her with Jajit sir of English Shari tutor.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
So means every day, sometimes conversational video, other time podcast, Priyanka Chopra, how she motivates others, right? Like every day there is a new thing because I don't want to, be monotonous in this journey. So
Hmm.
every day there is a different approach towards this podcast
Oh,
because whenever you have time and you are doing your household chores, you can't listen to podcast carefully
right.
with all ears. If you want to listen to podcast with all ears, you have to sit in a proper manner. Then you can listen. Let's see how they speak, how they take a pose, right? And then you can grab something. Otherwise, if I'm doing something and I'm just listening to podcast, so it will not work for me.
Right. I completely agree with you. Even these days, even I would like to listen to podcasts very attentively
Yes.
because unless you don't feel that you learn something through them. But earlier, when I was learning on a beginner level, I used to listen to basic conversation, and that time I was able to understand. But now the level of watching content has changed. Now I'm watching to some fluent speakers, advanced speakers. So now I have to put my attention there. Otherwise, it has of no use. So yes, that is true. So are you more of an introvert or extrovert?
I used to introvert, now either introvert nor extrovert, but I try to be ambivert. But I can easily break the ice, like whenever I go to park with my
Mhm.
daughter. If there are so many other mothers, they are looking at me and they are just smiling, so then I can easily break the ice and I start
Okay.
talking. Yes.
That is the most difficult task, I would say, because identifying people that, okay, whether he or she is interested in talking to me is a difficult thing. So sometimes it happens that you choose the wrong person. When you start talking to that person, he seems not that much interested, and then you feel embarrassed that why should I start talking to these people? So
No,
it's
no.
a very difficult task.
If they are continuously watching or looking at me, then I can easily
Then,
take that.
yes.
Otherwise, in my family, I am not, extrovert person. But whenever my sisters, we all get together, then I can easily laugh at with them, and we enjoy a lot. But whenever I go alone, and me and my mother, we just look at each other's face. There is nothing to talk.
Okay. 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 And how old your daughter is
She's
now?
5.5, 5.5 now.
So she's in grade one or
UKG.
UKG. So now still she comes back early. I'm in 12:30 or so.
Yes. Once she will turn in, first class, then she will go 8 to 2, I guess. I don't know what is the exact timing will be, but I think 8 to 2.
Hmm.
Yes.
That time you will get enough time because I also remember when my son he goes to school for till 12:30. I did not get much time actually, just doing breakfast, taking bath, and you see the clock, it's already 12:30. So now, but he comes around 2:30. So I feel that I have enough time to explore things and doing things for myself. That's good. And what kind of people do you like talking to?
Uh, there is no any kind of choice. I want to talk with everyone, but I really like people, they have a jovial nature. You know,
Hmm.
they can easily understand you and they can motivate you, right? But if the person is not talking to you and you are, around them, they have a negative kind of personality. So I don't want to be naysayers. I want people around positive because, you know, entire day you can't stay positive, but if you really
Yes.
want, because we can't expect from people. If you are positive, then you can motivate others as well. But if you are negative, then you feel your surrounding is negative as well. So
Right.
there is no particular choice I want, but here I live with my husband and my daughter only. And moreover, here I live in the Gurdwara Sahib. So many of people are there. So whenever I go downstairs, I meet with so many people. But if I have a, jovial face, if I am talking to them with a good expression, so obviously they will talk to me. But if I am not talking to them, how I can expect from them,
Yes,
right? So it
yes,
depends
definitely.
on us. What kind of nature do you have?
Hmm. And sometimes it also happens that we feel hesitant while connecting with people. We thought that maybe she's interested or not. But when we start talking to other people, we got to know that others also have the same feeling. Even everybody wants to connect with each other, but it's just that nobody want to break the ice. They feel let that person start, you feel that person start. So like in that confusion, nobody start. So I think we should start talking with people and yeah, this is what I feel.
Most of them, they have a kind nature. They feel like kind-hearted, but if your vibe attract with them, so it's a different kind of excitement. There is an idiom. Uh, then I use this idiom. We have a great same vibe. I am not getting. We are the birds of feather flock together. Then I
Okay.
use- it's really
Okay.
hard to get new idiom.
Yes. To me, it is very difficult. Still, you
Yes,
are able to recall it. If I would be at your place, I may not be able to recall that, to be
you are.
honest.
You are. You are a
No,
call.
no, I'm not. I'm literally very. I feel sometimes that I am a short-term memory loss. I keep forgetting things. I mean, at house also. My son keep asking me, Mama, where is this? I don't know where it is. If somebody asks me where this thing, I don't know. I literally start feeling that by the growing age, I am becoming like that. I don't know why, but I have that feeling.
Because you
Okay.
have so many responsibilities on your shoulder. That could be the reason you have still a small child. So it could be that
Mm.
because your elder one is now quite, mature enough. He can understand, but in the term of your younger one, so that could be the reason.
Honestly speaking, he can understand, but he doesn't understand.
Oh my
I'm
God.
telling you, I mean, if I compare with my younger one is still better. My older one is still very mischievous. I mean, he doesn't listen to me. He keeps shouting, throwing things, not keeping his things on place. Sometimes I get literally irritated, and that's the reason that I'm being more irritated because I expect few things from him now because now he's 7 years old. So I feel that a child who is 7 years old, he should be a little mature. At least he should keep his things safely. But when
Yes.
he didn't do that, I feel literally irritated and frustrated sometimes. And that's when I feel like, why these boys are like that? So,
Yes.
yeah,
Children are
that's how.
always mischievous, but they should be mischievous according to me. Because if they are disciplined in this age, they will be disciplined for so long. Now they have right to be mischievous.
Okay.
Don't worry.
Okay, let me ask you another interesting question. Do you believe that failure helps people grow?
Why not? Obviously. Failures are the part of learning, right? Failures are the stepping stone to get success. If you are getting failure over and again, it means you are growing in one way or another. And here I can use this quote, the greatest glory the greatest glory living in, not lies in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. So, how many times you fall and how easily you bounce back? That depends, right? It depends on the person to person. I can give you one more example here. Sometimes we feel negative, but how long you are negative? How many times you are getting the negative thoughts? Some of them, they easily bounce back, but most of them, they just keep the same thought in their mind, overthinking over and again, and they can't grow. And now they are just going to ask other people how I can grow, how I can stay positive, how I can get success like you. So they are not able to get success, right? So you don't think like so that I will not be negative. I can. I every day I feel negative, demotivated. But how easily I am trying to bounce back for that particular thing, it depends on me.
Right. It depends
Failures
person
are
to
the part. Failures are the part of journey. No matter what's your journey. It could be
person.
anything, not only communication skills, any other things as well.
Any other, yeah,
Yeah.
right. It totally depends on people that how they take that failure. If
Yeah.
they take it positively, they will definitely work upon it, and obviously the chances of getting success increase. But at the same time, if you're taking it negatively, if you feel very depressed or low and you don't have that power to bounce back, then obviously it's a difficult part for you. I mean, you have to learn this. You have to learn by failures. You should not give up on that. You should keep fighting it and try to grow as a person in life. Yes.
Exactly.
And if I talk about English language, I mean, has it changed your life in any way?
Yes, I can see the confidence in me. Whenever I go
Okay.
somewhere, because earlier I used to feel shy, as I already mentioned, I didn't have confidence. I was a timid kind of girl. But now I
Mm.
can see a different kind of confidence in me. I don't want to be a hoity-toity kind person. I have confidence. Like if I am going somewhere, I can't dominate on someone because of this language, right? I want to help someone in one way or another. So whenever I go somewhere, I attend anything. So I feel that now I can easily communicate with them. No matter if the person is not knowing my language, I can speak in this language easily. And now people, somewhere they give you priority as well. Like now my neighbors today even they just came to my home and they told me that if you have any plan you can start summer camp for children. I have seen some of your videos, you are quite confident, so if you can help, so I think okay, let's see if I
Wow,
can help, I
amazing.
can start for 1 month. So where people start believing in you and you have
Right.
that, a caliber for others.
Yes.
That's what I
So
feel.
initially, even it happened with me when I have started my channel. Initially, it grows like very nicely in the beginning because that time I used to create solo videos, not the conversational ones. And solo videos was also totally depend on my mindset. I mean, how I am overcoming these challenges or the difficulties of language, and I used to share my perspective. So my neighbors even one or two neighbors they came to me and asked me that could you please teach our kids because we have seen your videos and they're quite inspirational and you speak really fluent English. And even I realize now that I was maybe fluent at that time but I was not accurate at that time. And personally I feel that I improved a lot as a person, as my personality, and even the language part. I used to speak really fast English that time and people thought that I was like very fluent.
Yes.
So, yes, that kind of an advantage you get when you learn a new language, especially that is English.
Right, exactly. We can see the
Oh,
difference.
yes. So, what do you think? What makes someone a good communicator?
Listening is the most integral part.
Mm.
Nowadays, people don't have patience to listen to others. They
Mm.
easily interrupt you. They just want to keep their opinions. So we should listen to others first of all. Because if you have patience to listen to others, it means you are, getting something from them as well. So
Right,
if you have patience, if you can hold your horses for some time, so you should, I must say, because every
right.
time giving your opinion is not important. If you are if you have listening power, you can also grab something from others, and you can, incorporate the same thing in your life, in your communication. So that is one way which I felt so far.
I think listening is very important, and I think I am also learning it day by day. And
Hmm.
I have learned it. I keep listening people, but you know what? When there is an argument going on, that's when I cannot stop. I feel like that no, I have to put my opinion. This is wrong. This person is saying wrong. This is not me. I have
Hmm.
never done that. So
Yeah.
that's very natural me come out of my come out and start speaking. But that usually happen with the people who are my known family members, my cousin. Especially, I have a cousin. She speaks really mind-blowing English. So when I go my mom's house, I try to practice English with her sometimes. So when there's an argument happening, I just try to put my point over her because I was like, no, this is not true. You are saying wrong. I am saying right. But yes, when I talk with strangers and the people whom I don't know, I can control my horses. I cannot really expressive. I try to listen to them, their opinion. So yeah, it happens. But most of the time, I have noticed that people they cannot stop themselves speaking when they
Yeah.
are into fighting or an argument, or I mean, there's a kind of debate they can't
Hmm.
control. But in general, we know this art of listening now.
Exactly. But there you can also hold your horses. Why? Sometimes you feel this time I am right, you are wrong. But after some time, you may realize that I was wrong, the person was right. Then you just have to regret over that trivial,
Yes.
right? So if
Ye-
you have, if you can, inculcate this habit in you, you should, I must say. Otherwise,
Mm.
might you have felt this thing in your life? I don't know, but sometimes it happens.
Yes, it happens. Sometimes because of that overexcitement, you
Hmm.
couldn't control and you keep saying things which are sometimes not even relevant to that matter. Irrelevant things like the trivial things. But after sometimes we regret, why did I say that? I should keep listening to him. So this has also happened. I think most of the time it happened between a husband and wife.
Hmm.
I'm not talking about others, but I feel that with my husband, when he says something, I feel like literally I have to answer it.
Hmm.
But now, as you have mentioned that we should listen to, I'm literally trying to learn it, and I will try not to speak or interrupt while he speaks, because whenever I have an argument with him, he always say that, let me complete. So it means that I'm not letting him complete. So I think we should adopt this great habit of listening.
Yes, because due to science, they mentioned one line here, like if you are getting angry, right? And if you stay mum for 12 minutes, you can find
Okay.
more ways. Only for 12 minutes, right? And you can find more ways. You can go anywhere else. You can lock yourself in washroom for some time. You can go in, you can surrounded by nature. You can miss nature for some time. So it can, helpful for you, because in a
Mm.
hurry we speak unnecessary things, so it might.
Unnecessary sometimes, yeah. So I think I had asked a lot of questions to you. If you have any question, you can ask me, or else we can wrap it up. I mean, now it's totally up to you. What do you
Okay,
want?
so tell me, if you could have go back and make the same Karishma, she started her learning journey initially, so what advice would you give to her?
One thing which I did was learning grammar in the beginning, and I did really hard work on learning part. I think that's not necessary. That second decision which I took was I used to listen to Kanchan Keshri ma'am. That was the right decision. And you talked about the barefoot. Even I have learned the same word from her videos. And she was telling her daughter that don't go barefoot. And I started using it in day-to-day life, and now I learn it so well. Earlier, even I did not know. Maybe I know, but I was not able to recall it that it is called barefoot. So, I mean, literally, her videos are super useful, even nowadays, also. And she keeps changing the pattern also. Earlier, her daughter was quite young, so she used to create simple videos, simple translation. But now she's quite mature, I think 7, 8 years old, maybe more than that. So now she's using complex English, advanced English also. So even now you can just learn from her channel. Second advice I would like to give that don't judge yourself. Don't make opinions about yourself that no, I can't learn English. I'm not that good enough. He is good. She is good. Don't compare. Don't be judgmental. Just start speaking. Speaking is the most important part of this journey. Until you start speaking, you never know what kind of problems you can face in future. So if you start speaking, you got to know that okay, when I speak like this, I'm getting fumble. So let's change the way. So that's how you will learn that what you need to improve.
Yes.
So speaking is the prominent part. You can't learn English just by reading or writing or listening. You can't. Even if you don't do reading and writing, but keep listening and speaking, I'm telling you, you can learn English. And this is the only way I have learned. Listening and English speaking. Those two things were the main priorities when I was learning English. Nowadays, I try to read some books because it's my hobby. I like reading it. But apart from that, for the learning perspective, I haven't chosen books. I always stick with the listening and speaking. So this is one advice I would like to give to the people who are beginner. They
Wow.
can learn.
Lovely to know about it. I have so many questions, but I will definitely invite you on my YouTube channel and I will ask you so many questions, right? Because you are the great example of consistency. I believe it so. And you are the great motivation for so many women, for so many people, right? But still, I guess we are running out of time. For that reason, we have to wind up this session. But it was really great experience talking to you today. I have learned so many things from you as well.
Same here. Even I really like listening to you, to be honest. The way you express your thoughts, it's very organized, very clear, very smooth, and you are even not speaking too fast. I would like to say, I'm in my audience, that please watch this conversation till the end because the way she narrate or express it's very calmly. I mean, I am not able to do it as of now. I'm still learning this thing, but you are already doing it. So great going, all the best, and thank you so much for joining on my channel today.
Thank you so much, Karishma ji. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much. Thanks, Amit.
Okay then. Bye
Okay,
bye.
then. Bye-bye.
Could you please share this video with me?
Yes, sure.